Here are the ingredients you will need: almond flour, sugar-free sweetener, cocoa powder, and then I softened some cream cheese, 1 large egg, and then I'm going to go ahead and preheat my waffle maker. I first started off by combining all of the dry ingredients. So that's the almond flour, the cocoa powder, and the sweetener. And I combined them all together by giving it a whisk. Then I added the wet ingredients. And I used my immersion blender to combine the dry and wet ingredients because this seemed to work best. You want to get a really smooth consistency, making sure that all the ingredients are well incorporated. So this is what the batter should look like. It's smooth and creamy and easy to mix. This is exactly what we're looking for. Okay, so just a heads up guys, sometimes this batter makes me 3 of the waffles, sometimes it makes me 2. It all depends on the size of egg that I use. And you'll see with this one, it actually made me 3. So now I'm just spreading it all around so that it covers the entire surface of the waffle maker. And that's what you see me doing here. Now we're going to let this cook for 4 minutes. Okay, so it's been 4 minutes. So now you want to carefully remove the chocolate from the waffle maker. And be very careful guys because it is hot. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And next I'm going to add the remaining batter to the waffle maker and let that cook for an additional 4 minutes. Okay, so we're done. The batter gave me 3 of them. It usually does. So I leave 1 for later because I'm only going to be working with 2 of the waffles for this recipe. All right, so let's move on to the next step. Now for the creamy filling, I use sugar-free chocolate chips, pistachio flavored Jello pudding mix, and then I have sugar-free sweetener and 4 ounces of cream cheese. Okay, so you want to make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature. If it's not, you can pop it in the microwave for about 20 seconds because you do need to have the cream cheese softened. I first start off by creaming the cream cheese and then I add the sugar-free sweetener. I whisk them both together and then I'll add the remaining ingredients. So here you see me scraping down the sides with my spatula and I'm just making sure that all the ingredients are well combined. And for the last step, I add the chocolate chips and just combine it with the cream cheese mixture. Okay, so now to fill in the waffles, I'm going to just go ahead and spread our cream cheese mixture all around just to make sure it's all covered. Then I top it and that's it guys. And that's what it looks like guys. One giant cookie, pistachio filled chocolate waffle bliss. Alright, so I cut it in half. And this is what it looks like. And you see all those little chocolate chips. I hope you get a piece of chocolate chip in every bite. Okay guys, so that's it. We're done. The entire recipe will be listed on my website. It's lowcarb360.com. And as always, I thank you all for watching.